Want to showcase your best work right on your LinkedIn profile? In this video, I will show you step by step how to add projects or a full portfolio so recruiters and clients can see your skills in action. Let's get started. First of all, open LinkedIn app, or you can open up any web browser and head over to linkedin.com. Make sure to log into your account. Now tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. Once you get here, you will find the featured section. Tap on add featured. Now you can choose link or media. If you want to add a link, tap on add a link option. Now tap on this box. Simply enter your link, then tap on the add option. Now you will have to enter a title or description, so go ahead and do that. Then tap on save. Now if you want to choose a media, then tap on the add featured option. Here select add a photo or upload a document. So if you want to enter a document, tap on upload a document option. Now select a document from here. Here as well you want to enter the title and description, then tap on the save option. Once you have added it, you can also reorder your projects if you want. Additionally, you can also add projects in the experience section. And that's it. Your portfolio is now live on LinkedIn for everyone to see. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.